I'm heading out. I just want to show you what I'm wearing, and this is a very simple outfit. I hope you can just see it. Very simple. Going out, not I don't have shoes. I'll be wearing. We are back from town. And I can't wait to show you the pots that I've bought. I've waited for a long time to have these pots, and I hope I'll add more from the ones that I bought. I can't wait. I just can't wait. So here's the first one. I love the red color. I hope they gave me the right color. Yes, it is. So let's just I'm so happy. I'm happy with this one. I love it, but it's too small to cook pap or porridge or I'm so happy, and it is so heavy. I think it will do the good job. And then we are opening the second one. This one I wanted oval, and I hope it is oval because I just want to mix the colors. Yeah, it is oval, it is orange. I didn't want to buy all red. I wanted to mix the colors, as you can see. Yes, this is our pots. In South African rands, then this one is, let me check the price. It's 865. I think it's the red one. Yeah, the red one. And this one, I think it's 850. I don't know the dollars. I don't know what other currencies I can say, but it's in 850 rand, and it is 3.0 liter, and this one is 350. I think 3.5 liter. I think this one is the bigger one, but it is more expensive than this one. But I love the oval one, but I was not sure because of cooking of the pap. I was not sure about the oval one, but I love the pots. Yeah. Yeah, I love how they look. Let's bring the light in. Yeah, I hope you can see these beautiful pots. I love them. Yo, I love these pots. And we are going to try them today. I can't wait to cook a delicious meal for my family using the same pots.